Buenos dias. Ugh, always does that. Day 2, part 2. Mid-April. Fishing on Lake Powell. Well, passed the night uneventfully. I was out cold. The sun's just come up over the cliff, as you just saw. There's already a breeze. Today the wind's supposed to gust up to 30 miles per hour. That's what reports say. Later in the afternoon. I'm not going to stay back here. I'm actually going to split. I'm going to try Gunsight. I'm going to try going into Navajo. I'm going to try some different places. Just kind of want to see where the fish are, what's going on. But there you have it. I'm going to finish my delicious breakfast here, and then we're going to go get them. Here we go. Another day. What's it going to bring? What's it going to bring? Give Gunsight a try. Alright, I'm just gonna spend a little time riding and graphing, so might as well stick to what's been working, and they've been enjoying the rattle trap, so I'll go ahead and get in the water just in case I happen across some. It'll be hard to top yesterday. Oh man. And the water temperature is 57 degrees. I think we almost got up to 62 yesterday. Not seeing anything on the graph thus far. I think I just saw some right over them. Let's go spoon. 40 feet. Oh, fish one. Fish one. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Peeled line. It's a big fish. Oh, I think I got a big fish. Oh, look at that. I snagged one of those giant carp. He's not having it. Whew. I've seen stuff on the graph, but what do we got? That is a nice striper. That's what's happening here. All right. It's a good way to start the day. He's got a mouthful of treble hooks, so he is not happy. I'm not going to pick him up. Oh, look at that one. Whoa. That's a big striper. Nice. Well, they're in here. All right. Warming up a little too. Yeah, fish on. Fish on. Not quite as big as the last one, but I will take it. Both show. Oh, yeah. Oh, he's off. Oh, man. How'd you do that? Fish on. Oh. It's another hefty one. Dang. Wow. striper. Oh, man, that's a big one. Whoa, that guy. It's a big one. That's a big striper there. For sure. Well, it's certainly a beautiful morning, warming up, and there's no wind yet. I'm glad I'm close, because if it does kick up, I don't want to be out in the middle of Padre Bay or something when it's 30 miles per hour. Got some serious striper thumb. Not complaining. Just when I said there's no wind, there's a breeze starting to pick up. I've seen them here and there, but done a couple passes, haven't been able to connect. So I'm gonna make this final pass out of here and ride on. All right, catching big stripers really takes it out of you. Need something to eat, so you know it. Get a little of this in me. Check out hot sauce, we good to go. Cheers, folks. All right, Navajo Canyon. Here we are. Home. Yeah, it's beautiful back here. That is faux show. I see the striper, they're swarming right here. I just threw some anchovies out. Oh, fish one. Oh, I can see them swarming down there. There's a whole bunch of them. These little ones. Oh no. Oh. Wow, fish on. Good Lord. Yeah. Dang, it's a big striper. Oh. Oh. Look at that. Oh man, there's got to be a smallie hanging out in all this rock. Why not? We'll give this one a shot and we'll try a Ned rig. Oh, fish on, yeah, yeah. It's my smallie. All right. Oh, nice. I knew there was one in there. First smallie of 2021, and it's a nice one. Take that. Yeah. I think I'm gonna do a bit of trolling along the cliff walls here, just to see if anything happens. Give it a minute or two. You never know, right? Check that out. Warm water coming out of there. Gushing out of there. Wow. That's crazy. The water's gone from clear to cloudy. We're getting back here. I want to do some trolling. And then we'll try for some bait fishing elsewhere if nothing's happening back here. Alright, I'm back of Navajo now. It's pretty shallow. I just came out of 10 feet, moving deeper now into 14. I see stuff on the graph, but it might just be brush or shrubbery or whatever that's down on the bottom. Thought I had a tap just a second ago. That might have been a tap right there too. I'm back on the rattle trap, so we'll give this a couple passes and then head on out of here if nothing happens. I think it's time to ride out of here. Okay, there's antelope right down there, marina, so I'm gonna give a shot against these cliff walls just for a second. I'm not gonna stay long. If I don't get anything in a few minutes, I'm out of here. Oh, they're down there. Good, they're down there. Oh, how about that? Yep, they are down there. Oh, nice one. All right. They're down there. Very nice. Fish on. Fish on. Oh. Nice. Very nice. Oh, these are nice striper. Never, this guy's big, man. Good Lord. Nice striper. Look at these things. Oh. Oh. Look at this. I'll take it, man. Look at that. Whoa. All right. There you have it. Delicious. Oh, yep, there he is. Woo-hoo. Oh, man. Oh, wow. Man, these guys are just big, healthy striper over here. Oh, man. I mean, for real. They're huge. Nice fish. Is there another one down there? Oh, I'll get you on that one. Whoa, whoa. Ooh. That's another nice one. Oh man, look at that fish. Wow, that is a big striper. Look at that fish. Man, nice. Good Lord, he hit that, didn't even go down. Didn't even make it down 10 feet before he hit it. Whew. Oh, oh gosh. Oh, gotta catch you on that one. Man. Oh, another nice one. Oh, man. Oh, I'm just slaying them. Just slaying them. Oh, jeez. Man, no joke. It's not even getting down 15 feet now, and they're just smacking it. Whew, man, wearing me out. Oh, yep, I do. Whoa. Jeez. Man, I'll pull my shoulder out. Oh, no. Oh. It's just, they're big. Look at this, man. Oh, holy moly. Oh, jeez. Feisty, let me tell you. Oh, goodness. Feisty, feisty, feisty. Oh, gotcha. Oh. Licked. Just one after the other after the other. So I did chum it up a little bit, and maybe they're just all stirred up now, because they're hitting as soon as it gets in the water. Oh, yep. It's unbelievable. Unbelievable. Oh man, that's a big one. Wow. That might be the biggest one yet. Oh. Wow. Look at this. Oh. They're all behind the boat. Look at this. This massive school. Catch on that one. Yeah, see? These little ones move in, man. Oh, hey, got you. Oh, that's a nice one there. Lord. Oh, man. Big healthy striper. Whew. Seriously, look at these. Nice. Oh, it's off. That's okay. I don't care. Oh, man. I mean, ridiculous. Oh, I got a little bit of bait left. I mean, it's a massive school underneath the boat. I could sit here and probably catch 100 more fish. I'm not lying. It's just a massive school right here. All right, reluctantly, I'm gonna actually move on. I know. But I still gotta get through Antelope, and it's already 3 o'clock. And I wanna hit marker 3 just for a second and see if anything's there. And it's unbelievable. I mean, unbelievable. Oh man. That striper thumb is shredded. Woo! Man, there's that wind. It is howling around that corner. It's gonna be a little difficult with the wind. They're either gonna be here or they're not gonna be here. Give it a shot. Definitely picking up, man. Getting tossed around over there at buoy 3, marker 3, so I didn't stick around. I bailed. Maybe there were fish there. Who knows? I'm good. I'm good. There's that wind. Right on schedule. So I'm out of here. That's a wrap for me. My hands are tore up. I'm actually kind of sore from catching fish. It doesn't get any better than that. I mean, there you have it. Spring striper action, Lake Powell, mid-April. Anchovies in the rattle trap were the ticket for me. A lot of trolling, bait fishing, you know. Well, I found them everywhere I went. I didn't stay at marker 3, buoy 3, very long. I was just getting tossed around. The wind was up, so I was just like, I'm out of there. But everywhere else, yesterday, today, you know, the canyons that were back there. Navajo was a little slow, but it is what it is. What are you gonna do, right? Have to come back and try it again. Folks, thank you very much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. It really helps us out. Thank you to the patrons. We'll see you next time, folks. Tight lines. D-Rock out. Adios.